Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back to my channel with another very beautiful, elegant, classy and stylish video of hand embroidery designs. Guys, this video contains a wider, broader perspective, all different ingredients, all different items, all different ideas and pre-requirements that are used for hand embroidery, that are specifically used for handwork are being shown to you into this video. I hope you are getting my point. I want to say that embroidery patterns onto which you are going to make the whole embroidery design are also being shown to you in our today's video. Then different type of stylized patterns of hand embroidery along with different type of threads like silky threads, like anchor DMC, how many strands of anchor or DMC being used, then what would be the number of the needle with which you can embroider the pattern. Everything with different type of stylized things are being guided into this session. And one more important thing, that is which type of embroidery, design ideas are being shared, which type of embroidery stitches are being used to make the whole embroidery pattern, and for which type of purposes you can use these. All of this is going to be discussed into this video. So without wasting any further time, let's move back about our main content, or the detailing onto our content. Guys, in this video, I am sharing different type of ideas like neckline embroidery, borderline embroidery, sleeves embroidery, mini embroidery, floral patterns, customize initial name letter embroideries, different type of creativity, simple and easy embroidery motifs, ranging from various type of hand embroidery type of stitchings and many more creativities, so that you can use them as per your own choices. So from our today's video, you can design your shirts, sweatshirts, t-shirts, your baby girl dresses as an embroidery motif. Those who are lovers or beginners of hand embroidery and are in search of vintage style, decent, elegant, unique, and at the same time simple hand embroidery patterns, then guys, you are exactly at the right platform. Like in this, I am also sharing which type of embroidery stitch and how that embroidery stitch look like, so that you must be familiar with different type of hand embroidery stitches and their usage. For kids just designing, I am sharing very beautiful, creative, artistic type of 3D embroidery patterns, which are at the same time simple and easy to make as well. So for home decor items or home decor DIY accessories like tablecloth, like prayer mat, like uh, kettle cover, like many more other accessories, like table mats, hoop art, and many more other creativities are being shared into this video. So I hope that you are getting the ideas, designs, and creativity of our today's video. And if you really like the designs of our today's uh, stylized patterns, today's collection, then please don't forget to like and subscribe. And one more thing, guys, while subscribing, press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the new and latest updates. Comment below the video, because your comments are the only way through which we get to know that how you feel about our video. And don't forget to press the like button. And if you already have subscribed, you can subscribe from as many as other devices, because subscribers are very important. So with this, allow me to leave. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon in a very beautiful and new creative video. Up till then, take care.